In this video, we're going to do an unboxing of this doorbell. So let's take it out of the box. Let's see everything that comes with it. So as you can see, it says PLACUY, a wireless doorbell with a chime. So we have this. It says 100% wireless, anti-theft siren, 2K HD. So the camera is high resolution. That is a good thing. Let's see what else. It says video camera. A screw hole a positioning card. So let's see, it says a chime with 3 AAA batteries, screws. We have 2 stickers, micro USB charging. So I think you can charge it with the USB. User manual and warning stickers. And we have the customer service, Alice, in US. So that is a good thing. It says after 5 p.m. at a Pacific time. So it's perfect. So after, when you are back to from work, I think it's a good thing. And you have a customer service because sometimes, you're working until 5, 6 maybe, and you don't have a way to contact the tech support if something happens. In the other side, we see a 2K HD camera, anti-theft, and everything that I said before. Two-way talk. We have the cloud storage, wireless 100%, advanced artificial intelligent human detection, waterproof. It says IP65. Family sharing, that's it. So it says battery power. I don't like much about that because you will have to start replacing the batteries. I would prefer, if you can charge it with the wiring that you have in your phone, on your house already. But if you don't have any option, maybe you don't have the wiring, this will be the most economical option. So this is for people who has a house with no wiring. So if that is your case, I think this is a good option. Otherwise, I would prefer the other one if you have the wiring, so that way you don't have to replace the battery maybe every 6 months, 3 months, I don't know. It depends, sometimes, it depends on the amount of traffic that you have in front of your house. If you don't have much traffic, surely this will not be activated that often. And here we have the SD card. So, okay, you can have a backup on your camera, left side, front side. Here you download the app. What else? Okay, so it will show you step by step how to do that. So it should not be that difficult. Okay, 24-hour video surveillance. All right, cool. Here you have the sticker, so that way you can glue it on your door. It says use the screw hole a positioning card as reference by sticking it to the wall to make sure that the screw hole positioning card looks straight. Choose the right screws for your wall, wood or concrete. Screw through the middle of the holes, starting from the top. Peel the sticker and position the card once it's finished. Okay, cool, easy. Now let's take this out of the box. All right, we have this. Wow, it's big. All right, it's a little bit heavier than I was expecting. Usually the ring bells, the other brands, they cost usually more. Okay, this says peel for use, but it doesn't matter. It's something that you're not going to carry, in your daily life. You just plug it in once, and that's it. Okay, we have the sticker. This looks like the motion sensor here. It looks big. Here we have the SD card reader, and what else? And if you have to reset it, and I think if you have to charge it, you can do it from here. So if you have maybe rechargeable batteries, okay, this goes down, easy. All right. Here it comes with the chime. This chime, you can glue it. You can just peel it from here, and that's it. We have to use the batteries. Okay. I think this is to test, or maybe to change the volume. This might be to change the volume, and this to change the melody of the doorbell. At least it came with the battery. Okay, we have the USB cord I was talking about before. We have the screws. We have the Allen key. Usually the Allen key is here on the top, so that way it will be more difficult for people to steal your device. All right. You remove this. The only thing is you have to use this instead of using this. That will be faster. Here you have a Phillips screwdriver on that end, and here you have the start. Okay, so easy enough. You don't need the sticker that I show you before. You just with the pen, just right here, on the wall, put the screws in directly, and that's it. That should be easy enough. Just hook it up there and you're ready to go. I don't think so nobody's going to steal this, but you know. All right, some glue, double side sticker. We have this. All right, cool. All right, so I think the batteries are built in, so maybe you cannot replace them with this, so that is why it comes with a charger. It would be nice if it could be, you know, USB-C, but I don't know. It can with this instead, micro USB. I think you charge it, surely it can last. Again, most of these systems, you will have to charge it for every 3 months or 6 months, depending on the amount of traffic that you have. Okay, at least it comes with the batteries. For this, let's see. Wow, okay, nice. Okay, more traditional, I think it will be better, okay? That is the volume, like I told you before, so we're good. So hopefully this is all already sinking. Yeah, it works great. Nice. Now all we have to do is try to sync it with the phone, and let's see how it goes. And after, you know, before you put it in production, make sure that everything. Before you put it in production, make sure that you have it, you know, fully charged. So now we're going to download the app. All right, so let's open the camera. There you go, we download this. All right, so now account. All right, so once you sign up, you can add.
Hold the device power button to start the device.
Okay, we did that already. Battery camera, let's see. I think it's a doorbell. We are going to put the smart doorbell. There we go.
Please follow the instruction manual. Press the bell button and tap next. Please reset the device by holding. Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password.
All right, we put the password now.
Please remove all film from the lens. Tap next to show a QR code and let your device.
All right, now we can scan it. There we go. Just put it like that. Add successful. I didn't hear the. We're good. Okay. Done. Here.
Camera and phone at the place of camera in.
All right, it's working. It's working. Yes. Okay, done. Easy peasy. Now scan another device. Doorbell, wireless chime.
Please power on the device.
I did that already with this.
Long press the reset button for 5 seconds to reset the device. For details, please refer to the user manual / and please wait for the blue light to flash.
I don't have any blue light. Okay, it's flashing, so barely you see the blue light.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Basically, you have to push this button, the one that is for the volume. It says device found. I don't see the light anymore. You see it's flashing.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
I don't see any other reset button here. Okay, so here it says that don't use the batteries and the charger at the same time. So I assume that you can just plug it in with any USB cord and you should be good. If you want to leave it, 24/7, I think that would be the most rational option. I don't know if this is another product. It might be another product. Maybe you cannot do anything with that. There we go. Hello, hello. There you go. You can talk. I mean, yeah, it works. It does the job. So all I have to do is just put some screw here, put it back, use this, and that's it. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you need any tool or electronic or anything like that, just let me know. I am in US. Otherwise, if you want to buy it yourself, I can try to leave in the video description so that way you can buy the same product. Thank you for watching and see you next time.